Hello everyone, welcome to PW Only IS. I hope all of you are doing great and you are finding these videos from CSAT series helpful in your preparation. So in the last video we discussed two topics, ranking and sitting arrangement, and we are almost at the end of logical reasoning. We are left with two major topics which are series and your syllogism, right? So today we will cover series, which is one of the important topic from reasoning for UPSC CSAT. Every year from logical series we are getting 3 to 4 questions every year, right? And within this we are getting 2-3 questions from number series, and for the last 4-5 years we are getting one question from alphabetical series. Every year we are getting a question from alphabetical series, continuous alphabetical series. So in today's video we will cover both of these. First we will see different type of number series, right? Addition, subtraction, sum of squares, sum of cubes, right? Prime number series. After that we will solve previous year questions from numeric series. Then we will move to alphabetical series. We will discuss the basics, how to attempt those questions, and then we will solve previous year question from alphabetical series. So let's start with, first of all, numeric series. So first in numeric series is addition based series. Okay, we will see some examples from this. So first example, let the first example be 7, 11, 15, 19, 23. In each case we will find the next term of the series. So in series there are two or three type of questions possible. One is they can ask you the end term of a series, right? They can ask you one missing term of the series, or they can ask you one wrong term of the series, or they can ask you which series is the odd one out. So we will see examples of each. So this is the first series, right? This is addition based series. What do I mean by addition based series? So if you see, the difference between the first and second term is plus 4. 7 plus 4 is 11. The difference between second and third term is plus 4. This is again plus 4. This is again plus 4. So this will be plus 4 because the series will follow a certain pattern. So from here we can say x is nothing but 23 plus 4, which is 27. Right? This is our first example. Let's take one more example from addition series. So if the given series is 7, 9, 13, 19, 27, and you are asked what is the next term. So here in all these series, in series question, you should screen the series. First check if the series is from addition, then check if the series is from subtraction. You can check for prime number series, you can check for multiplication series, you can check for division series, you can check for miscellaneous series. We will see examples for each. So every time you get a question from series, you have to search for these patterns. If the series is following an addition pattern or multiplication pattern or mixed pattern, okay? Right? So in this question, let's see the difference. The difference is plus 2 here. Then the difference is plus 4, then the difference is plus 6, then the difference is plus 8. So the difference between the two consecutive terms is increasing, plus 2, plus 4, plus 6, plus 8. So the next difference will be what? Plus 10. So from here we can say x is nothing but 27 plus 10, which is nothing but 37. This will be the next term of this series, right? Let's take one more example. So if the series given is like this, third example from addition series, the series can be 1, 5, 14, 30 and 55. 30 and 55, and we are asked find the next term of the series. So in addition, the addition can be simple addition like plus 4, plus 4, plus 4, plus 4. Addition can be plus 2, plus 4, plus 6, plus 8, plus 10. Addition can also be in terms of some square of number square. cube of numbers, right? Here 1 is 1. The difference between 1 and 5 is what? The difference is 4. Here the difference is plus 9. Here the difference is plus 16. Here the difference is plus 25. If you see, 4 is nothing but 2 square. 9 is nothing but 3 square. 16 is nothing but 4 square. And 25 is nothing but 5 square. So the next difference will be nothing but plus of 6 square. Right? From here we can say x is nothing but 55 plus 6 square, which is nothing but 55 plus 36. What is this? 80, 91, right? 50 plus 30, 80, 5 plus 6, 11, 80 plus 11 is 91. So these are type of addition series, right? Now let's look at some example from subtraction series. Okay, this is also possible that the pattern of the series is based on subtraction. Here the pattern was addition, right? Addition can be same for each of the term or can be in terms of squares or cubes, right? Similarly, the sum can be increasing or decreasing. When the sum is constant, this is an AP, arithmetic progression, right? Let's see one example from this. So the first example from subtraction series is, suppose the series is 55, then 46, 37, 28 and 19, and we are asked what is x. So if we analyze the difference between the consecutive terms here, the difference is minus 9, again the difference is minus 9, again the difference is minus 9, the difference is common. This is also an AP, right? So this will be, again the difference will be minus 9. So x will be nothing but 19 minus of 9, which will give us value of x, which is 10. This can be an example of subtraction series. Similarly, another example can be, suppose the series given to us is 63, then 26, then 7, then 0, then minus 1, and it is asked what is the value of x, right? So if you see, what is 63? 63 is closer to 4 cube. 4 4 is the 16, 16 4 is the 64. Similarly, 27 is near to 27, which is cube of 3. 7 is near cube of 2. This is near cube of 1, and the difference is 1. So we can write this as, right? We have to analyze all these series, right? 4 cube minus 1. This can be written as 3 cube minus 1. This can be written as 2 cube of minus 1. Yeah, this can be written as 1 cube minus 1. This can be written as 0 cube minus 1. So this will be written as minus 1 cube minus of 1, right? So from here, x is nothing but minus 1 cube minus of 1. This is nothing but minus 1 cube is nothing but minus 1. Negative to the power odd will be negative, right? Minus 1 minus 1. So x will be nothing but minus 2. So we can get a series based on subtraction like this also, where each of the term is using some cube, and from every cube they are reducing 1. This is one of the possibility. Other possibilities are what? We can get prime number based series. Third is prime number based series, numeric series. What are prime numbers? Prime numbers are numbers, those are divisible by itself and 1 only. So 2 is a prime number because it is divisible by 1 and the number itself, which is 2, right? Similarly, 3 is divisible by 1 and 3 only. So normally the prime numbers are 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17 and so on. So one example of this series can be, suppose the terms given are 4, 6, 10, 14, 22 and 26, and you are asked what is x. So if you see closely, these numbers are nothing but twice the prime numbers. This is 2 into 2, this is 2 into 3, this is 2 into 5, Similarly, 14 is nothing but 2 into 7. 22 is nothing but 2 into 11. And 26 nothing but 2 into 13. So x will be what? Next prime number in the series is what? So x will be next prime number, which is 17 into 2. So x will be nothing but 34. So in this series, x will be 34. Another series can be, now if we take it otherwise, see, if we have to make a series from prime numbers, what I can do is I can do prime number into 3 plus 1. This will give me a series like 2 into 3 plus 1, comma 3 into 3 plus 1, comma 5 into 3 plus 1, comma 7 into 3 plus 1. So the series we will get will be something like this: 6 plus 1, 7, 10, 16, 7 3s are 21, 22, right? So and so on. So we can also get series like this for prime numbers in the exam. Okay. Now next type of series we can get is what? Multiplication based series. So the fourth one is multiplication based series, numeric series. Here we are discussing numeric series first. So the first example can be, suppose the series given is 2, 4, 8, 16, 32 and x, right? Now if you see, these numbers are nothing but in GP, which is, what is GP? GP is geometric progression, where the ratio of two consecutive terms is same, and which we call it common ratio, right? 4 by 2, this is nothing but 2 into 2, this is nothing but 4 into 2, this is nothing but 8 into 2, this is nothing but 16 into 2. So similarly, for x we have to multiply it by 32. So x is nothing but 32 into 2, which is 64. For the so the last term for this series is what? 64. Similarly, we can get some different series from multiplication. Suppose the series given is 2, 6, 12, right? 20, 30 and x. And you are asked, find the series, right? And we are discussing multiplication series. So this is also one of the series based on multiplication series. So if I see this is 2, 6, 12, the difference is 4, then 6, then 8, then 10, then 12. This can be one of the thing. Or I can say this is what? 1 into 2. 1 into 2. Right? This can be 2 into 3. This can be 3 into 4. This can be 4 into 5. This can be 5 into 6. And this will be what? X will be nothing but 6 into 7. This is 42. So what you can do is you can think about this series as this also, and this can also be defined as addition. This is plus 4, this is plus 6, this is plus 8, this is plus 10, this is plus 12. By thinking from both the methods, you will get the term x as 42. Okay. Next series we will discuss is division series. We can make series based on division also. So suppose you are multiplying every term of a series by 0.5. Okay, that can be called a multiplication series if you see it as a multiplication of 0.5. Or similar series can be considered as division series, where every term you are dividing it by 2. So let's see division series. In this series, division based, we will see division based numeric series, right? So let's take first example. First example can be 120, 60, 30, 15 and x. This is asked. So if you see, the first term is, second term can be given by divided by 2. right? This is again division by 2. This is again division by 2. So from here, this will again be, sorry, division by 2. X is nothing but 15 by 2, which is nothing but 7.5. So this is our X. Okay. Another series in division can be what? You can get a series like this. The terms of the series can be 4, then 2, then 1, then 0.5. How to check if the series is based on multiplication? It is based on multiplication when the terms keep on increasing quickly. See, the difference is not 2. Here it is 2, 4, then 8, then 16, right? So the multiplication is continuously increasing. This can be also considered as 2 to the power 1 series, 2 to the power 2, 2 to the power 3, 2 to the power 4, 2 to the power 5 and 2 to the power 6, right? From both the methods you will get the same series. In division series, the terms keep on decreasing, right? So the next term here is 0.25 and we are asked what is the value of X. So if you see here also, the division happening is of 2. This is divided by 2. This is again divided by 2. This is again divided by 2. This is again divided by 2. Right? This is again divided by 2. So X is nothing but 0.25 by 2, which is nothing but 0.125. Similarly, I can think of this series as this is multiplied by 0.5. This is multiplied by 0.5, this is multiplied by 0.5, multiplied by 0.5 and multiplied by 0.5, and I will get the same answer, 0.125. So we have seen series from what? Addition, we have seen series from subtraction, multiplication, division, right? And prime numbers. So we have to screen the questions we get from all of these angles. There can be mixed series also, mixed series or miscellaneous series, whatever you want to call it. So here you won't find a pattern on the first go. Mixed series, let's take mixed series. Okay, suppose the series given to us is series given to us is this. The series is 0, 3, 13, 0, 3, 13, 33, 66, 33 and 66, and we are asked X, right? So let's take the first term, first difference. You can find such series, okay? First difference is what? This is plus 3. This is plus 10. This is plus 20. And this is what? Plus 33. There is no relation. I can't find any relation to find X, right? I will take another difference, difference of difference, right? So this is plus 7. This is plus 10. This is plus 13. Still, I can't find any pattern. But now, if I take one more difference, difference of difference and difference, I can see this is plus 3. This is again plus 3, right? So now I have found a pattern. The next term from this will be plus 3, which is plus 16. So the next term from this will be plus 16 to 33, which is nothing but 49. 49. So the term X will be X is nothing but 66 plus of 49. 60 plus 40, 100, 9 plus 6, 15, 115. So X is nothing but 115. So in some cases, we have previous year question where we need to take triple differences to find the find the n term of a given series. Okay. So now we will see different previous year questions based on all these series which are asked in UPSC CSAT, right? So let's start with the first thing. First question is, this is from 2015. Okay. What is the missing term X of the series? 7, X, 21, 31, 43. I don't know anything. So I am just taking the difference. The difference is, this is plus 10. This is plus 12. So the difference is increasing, right? Now, if I assume the difference is decreasing, we already saw a series, right? This series where the difference between two numbers is increasing, right? So if I place something like this here, let it be plus 8, let it be plus 6. Is it satisfying our condition? So 7 plus 6 is nothing but 13. 13 plus 8 is nothing but 21. So we can see if we take x equals to 13 and try to follow this series plus 6 plus 8 plus 10 plus 12, we are getting a complete series, and 13 is also in our option. So this is the correct option for this question. Okay, let's move to the next question. This is question from 2022. 2022. The terms of the series are 2, 12, 36, 18, 150 and x. Now you can imagine this by two methods. This can be solved by two methods. Okay, let's see. This is 2, right? This is 12, then 36, then 80, then 150 and then x, right? If I try to see some pattern, this is 6 times, this is 3 times, this is not a multiple of 36. So this is not a multiplication series. What is the addition difference? Here the difference is 10, then 24, then 44. It doesn't make sense. So let's take the first difference. The first difference is what? Plus 10. Plus 10 here. Then the second difference is what? 24. The third difference is how much? 44. And the fourth difference is what? 70. Still we can't find anything. Let's take the second difference. This is plus 14. This is plus 20. This is plus how much? 50, 60, 26. Right? Now I can see a pattern. The difference here is what? Plus 6. The difference here is what? Plus 6. So the difference from here to next term will be plus 6, which is 32. The difference from here to here will be 32 more, which is 102. The difference from here to here will be 102 more. So x is nothing but, I can write it directly. So x is nothing but 150 plus 102. This is 252. Is there any option 252? Right? Option B. So this is one method. This is one method. Another method you can think of is, if you look at it, this is what? This is 3 into 4. This is 1 into 2. This is what? 9 into 4. 9 into 4. This is 5 into 16. This is how much? Can you divide 150 in some multiple of anything? 25 into 25. 25 into 6. Can we find any pattern? This is, if we see, the pattern can be, this is 2, then 3. We should write this as, this can be written as, this is 1 square, right? This can be written as, if we write it like, say 4 into 3, right? So if we see the pattern, the multiple is increasing 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. And the first term is 1 square. This is 2 square. This is 3 square. This is 4 square. This is 5 square. So next term will be 6 square into 7, which is nothing but 36 into 7. 7 6 are 42, which is 2. 4 carry over. 21 and 4, 252. So the term, you can think of this series in two types, right? I can solve it by this also, and I can solve it by this also. Both the times I will get the answer as 252. Let's get to the next question. The next question is from 2022. This is from 2022, right? So the series given to us is what? 20, then 10, then 10, then 15, then 30, then 75, and then x. So if I see how to make 20 to 10 if I multiply by 0.5, how to make 10 from 10 if I multiply it by 1, how to make 15 from 10 if I multiply it by 1.5. So if I see the difference or the multiple is changing, this is what? Into 0.5, right? And you will be able to see these patterns when you practice many number of questions from numeric series. We are solving the PYQs. I will provide you with the practice question tomorrow, Monday, right? You can practice more question from there. This is into 1. And by practice only, you will be able to see different patterns in different series. This is what? Into 0.15, 1.5. This is into 2. This is into 2.5. So this will be into 3. Into 3. So x is nothing but 75 into 3. This is 70 into 3, 210 plus 15. So this is 225. X is 225. So answer is D. This is very simple. Next question is from 2021. This is from 2021. Okay. What is the value of x in the sequence 2, 7, 22, 67, 202, x and 18, 22. So the series is 2, 7, 22, 67, 202, x and 18, 22. We don't know the common difference. What is this is nothing but, if you see, this is nothing but 7, 3, the 21 plus 1. This is 2 into 3 plus 1. So this is nothing but into 3 plus 1. This is into 3 plus 1. This is again 66 plus 1 into 3 plus 1. This is again into 3 plus 1. 180, 201 plus 1. So x will be what? Into 3 plus 1. So x is nothing but 202 into 3 plus 1. X is what? 606 plus 1. This is nothing but 607. We can check 1822 also. 607. This is 1821 plus 1. We will get 1822. So this is also correct. So the answer is C, 607. All right. Done. Into 3 plus 1. This was your question from 2021. Next is your question from 2019. 2019. Now, if you see all the terms here, this is 2 square, this is 4 square, this is 6 square, and this is 8 square. Alternate terms are increasing by 2 and their squares. Similarly, what is 196? What is 144? What is 100? Similarly, what will be x? This is 10 square. This is 12 square. This is 14 square. So x is nothing but 8 square, because for even terms 2, 4, 6, 8, the difference between the numbers is 2 and we are taking square of those. So x will be nothing but 8 square, which is nothing but 64. So the next term is nothing but 64. Easy. If you see, the questions are easy. You just have to apply your mind to it, right? In the exam, if you are not able to find the pattern, don't waste your time on one series. Move to the next question. Okay. In the exam, if you get some time in the end, you can revisit the questions, but don't get stuck on series questions, because if you are not able to see the pattern in the first or second attempt, it will get difficult with time, right? You will run out of options for series, right? Okay, chalo, let's see the next question. The next question says what will come in place of star in the sequence, in the given sequence. So again the sequence is 3, 14, 39, 84 star. This question is from 2024. 2024. So the series is 3, 14, 39, 84 star and 258. What is 3? This is 2 into 7, that is 13 into, if I see this is 2 into 7, this is 1 into 3, this is 3 into 13, this is how much? If I do 4 into 21, right? Can we see some pattern? Is there any pattern? This is increasing 1, 2, 3, 4. Also, the difference between this is 4, this is plus 6, this is plus 8. The next term can be plus 1, which is 5, and plus of 10, which is 31. So what is the term star? Is nothing but, I'm just checking if I can get answer through this. This is nothing but 5 into 31. This is 155. Star is 155. 155 is also in the option. Now for the next term, if I increase the first term by 1, which is 6, and increase the next term by how much? This is plus 12. So this will be 43. So 6 into 43, 6 3 is 18, 8, 1 carry over, 6 4 is 24, 1. So this is also satisfying. So star will be what? 155. Okay. Done. Right. This is your question from 2024. Let's see the next question. The next question is from 2023. 2023. Now see, what is 7? This is given 7 plus this is something 9, 10 equals to 8. Again 9, 11, 30 equals to 5. Okay, 11, 17 plus 21 equals to 13. What is the value of 23 some sign plus 4? So some sign 4, some sign 15 equals to question mark. 7 plus 9 is 16. 16 plus 10 is 26. 2 plus 6 is 8. Again 20 plus 30, 50. 50 plus. So if you see 7 plus 9 plus 10 equals to 26. And sum of the digits 2 plus 6 is 8. Here 9 plus 11 plus 30 is 50. Sum of digit 5 plus 0 is 5. Here 11 plus 17 plus 21 is how much? 10, 20, 30, 40, 47, 48, 49. 49. The sum of the digits of 49 is 4 plus 9, which is 13. The first sum of digits, right? Similarly, we can do for this. This is nothing but 23 plus 4 plus 15, which is what? 23 plus 15 is 38 plus 4, 42. 42. Sum of digits of 42 is nothing but 4 plus 2, which is 6. 6 is in the answer, right? So this is our answer. This is from 2023. Done. Now let's move to the next question. Next question is from numeric series from this. This is one of the other type of question. In the sequence 1 5 7 3 5 7 4 3 5 7, how many such 5s are there which are not immediately preceded? Preceded means it comes before the number by 3 but are immediately followed by 7. 5 is 7 by 5 is followed by 7 and there is no 3 before this. So this is one pair, right? We can't take this 5 because here 3 is before 5. Another 5. 5 is preceded by 3 and followed by 7. But we want cases in which 5 is not preceded by 3 and followed by 7. So there is only one case. So 1 is the answer. Right? This question, let me see. This question is from 2019. 2019. Okay. So we are going through PYQs based on numeric series. Next question, you can find this type of question also. What is the sum of the first 28 terms of the following series? The following series is this. The pattern followed is 1, 1, then 2, 1, then 3, 2, 1, then 4, 3, 2, 1, then 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, then 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. How many terms are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22. So we need 6 more terms. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3 and 2. Right? We can take, if we take this one there, we can complete a series, right? So I am taking this one to that side. Right? 1 there. So the sum for 1 is 1. So sum for 2 and 1 is 3. The sum for 3, 2, 6 is 6. The sum for 4, 3, 2, 1 is 10. The sum for this is 15. The sum for this is how much? 15 plus 6, 21. And the sum for this is 28. We need to find the sum. Sum of all these is what? 10. Sum of these two is 25. Sum of these two is 49. Sum of these two is 35. And this is 49. We need to add 35. Sum required sum is nothing but 35 plus 49. 9, 5, 4, 1, 84. So the sum is nothing but 84. This is your question from this year. Done. You can get such questions. Okay. You also can find questions like this where you have to see what term is wrong. This is from 2021. Replace the incorrect term by the correct term in the given sequence where odd terms and even terms follow the same pattern. Odd terms. First we are looking at odd terms. Then we will look at even terms. Okay. So what are odd terms? First, third. This is 3, 7, 13. Then 21, 31, 43. Similarly, 2, 4, 10, 18, 28 and 40. So let's see odd terms first. So odd term is nothing but plus 4. This is plus 6. This is plus 8. This is plus 10 and this is plus 12. These are following the same pattern, right? This is what? Plus 12. This is what? Plus 10. This is plus 8. This is plus 6. This should be plus 4. If here we have 4, here we can't have 2 because 0 plus 4 is 4. So in place of 2 we need 0. What is asked? Where odd terms and evens? Replace the incorrect term by the correct term. So the incorrect term is 2. The correct term is 0. So we can replace 2 by 0. This is your question from 2021. Done. Let's see the next question. Next question, consider the given sequence, right? The sequence is what? Number of dates. So the first date is 4, 12, 96, 95. Second date is 1, 1, 96. This is 29, 1, 96. Then 26, 2, 96. Right? Now, first of all, you should know the year divisible by 4 is a leap year. So 1996 is a leap year, which means 29 days in February. Why am I discussing this? Because we are into February, so we will need this info. This is nothing but how many days ahead? There are 31 days in December, so 27 plus 1, this is 28 days ahead. Similarly, this is again 28 days ahead. Similarly, this is again 28 days ahead, right? So next term will be 28 days ahead also, because it is following a pattern. But now there are 29 days in February, keep in mind. So 3 here and 25 in the next one. So the next term will be 25, 3 of 96. Okay, is it in the option 25, 3, 96? So B is our correct option. This is a question from 2018. 2018. Done. Now let's move to the next question. This is a question from 2023. The question is, choose the group which is different from the others. We have to find the odd group here. Okay. Now, if we see 17 prime number, 37 prime number, 47 prime number, 97 prime number, 31 prime number, 41 prime number, 53 prime number, 67 prime number. All these numbers are prime number. But I can see 91. 91 is divisible by 7. 7 into 13. 91 is not a prime number. So this series will be odd. Okay. All the prime numbers. This is necessary but not sufficient condition. All the prime numbers are 6n plus minus 1 numbers. This is necessary condition but not sufficient condition. Okay, we will discuss this in the number system chapter. Okay, now let's move to the next question. This is the Telegram channel. I am providing you with practice question every week here, right? If you have any doubts regarding the discussion we are having in every video, you can ask me, or if you have any doubts in any of the topics from CSAT, you can contact me here, right? Many of you contacted me last week for doubts from last video, right? So you can do that. Now this is matrix type. You are given two identical series in 2 rows. Okay, sequence 1 and sequence 2. Find the value of C. Two identical sequences mean they will follow the same pattern. The pattern followed here is what? This is into 0.5, right? This is into 1.5. This is into 2.5. This is into 3.5, right? Similarly into 4.5. So this will be, A will be 15 into 0.5. B will be 15 into 0.5 into 1.5. And C will be 15 into 0.5 into 1.5 into 2.5. Right? So 15 into 0.5 is nothing but 7.5. 7.5 into 3 by 2 into 5 by 2. This is 15 by 2. This is 15 into 15 is 225 by 8. This will be nothing but the value will be, this is 2.5, 1.5. What is the value? This is not, sorry, this is a P by Q and this is not 15, this is 5. That's why we are not getting to the answer. So we can replace 15 by 5 here. Sorry for the typo, right? So this is nothing but 5 into 0.5, 5 into 0.5 into 1.5, 5 into 0.5 into 1.5 into 1.5 into 5 into 1 by 2, right? So this will be what? 5 into 15 by 8. This is nothing but 75 by 8. This is nothing but 9 point something. So this is 9.375. Please change the question. This is not 15, this is 5. Okay, this is a typo, right? Done. Value of C. This is question from 2021. 2021. So in this case, both the sequence were identical. So we followed the same pattern followed in the first sequence. Now let's try and solve this. Consider the following pattern of numbers. This is the pattern of numbers given to us. Find the value of the question mark in the given matrix. So how to get 6? This is 8 plus 6, 14 plus 4, 18. We can't get 6. But if we do this, plus minus 8 plus 4 minus 6 is 6. 10 plus 6, 16 minus this 11. Again 15 plus 8, 23 minus 7 is 16 plus minus. Again 13 plus 8 minus 4. So 13 plus 8 minus 4. 13 plus 4. 17. So the question will have answer 17. 17. This is question from 2018. So we have almost taken all the questions recently asked from numeric series, right? Let's take the next example, next question. This is from 2015. 2015. The first term is 3, second is 8. 5 into 2, 4 into 2, 2, 1. Can you find any series? 3 and 6 are connected by 3 into 2. 8 into 56 is connected by 8 into 7. So here 6 is 3 into 2. This is 7 into 8 into 7. Right? I am writing the first term. 10 into 9. This is 2 into 1. This is 1 into 0. So x into x minus 1 equals to 20. X minus 1 equal to 20. If I take x equals to 5, we'll get a value, right? But we can also solve a quadratic equation. X square minus x minus 20 equals to 0. X minus 5x plus 4x minus 20. I already know that the value is 5 because by putting option A, I am getting 20. But we can solve it like this also, right? X common, x minus 5 plus 4 common, x minus 5 equals to 0. X minus 5, x plus 4 equals to 0. From here, x can be minus 4 and 5. From this, the only possible value in the answer is x equals to 5. If 5 into 4 is 20. So this is question from. Done. Next is this. Consider the table given below in which the numbers bear certain relationship among themselves along the rows. So this is having some significance. This is having some significance. So this will also have some significance. Okay. So let's see. 27 plus 3, 30 plus 30, 60, 13 plus 18, which is 31 plus 29, 60. So 29 plus 13 plus 18 is 60. Similarly, 30 plus 27 plus 3 is 60. So similarly, we will get what? 33 plus x plus 19 is 60. From here, x plus 40, 52 is equals to 60. So x is nothing but 8. X is nothing but 8, which is option D. This is a question from 2014. 2014. Let's try one more question from numeric series. We have solved almost all the questions from numeric series which are from previous year. Following is a matrix. Certain entries, the entries follow a certain trend row wise. Again row wise, right? So choose the missing entry. Question mark is to be found out. BAC, ABC, ACB. So one thing is for sure, here we will get B. So this gets eliminated and this gets eliminated. What else? 7 plus 3 is 10. 3 plus 6 is 9. So 10 plus something should be 13. 10 plus 3 should be 13. Right? 10 plus 3, 13. So the answer is 3B. So C is our answer. Okay. So we are done with numeric series. We have solved many questions. We have seen examples initially from different type of series, and then we have solved the previous year question. Next is alphabetical series. This is one of UPSC's favorite topic from the last 4-5 years. So in this we will see continuous series. What is the example of it? Suppose you are given a series like AB dash dash CA dash AB and asked what is the value of the letters in the blank spaces, right? So what you need to do is, first of all, count the total letters in the series. So here we are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, right? Every time you need to try and divide it into equal parts. So 9 can be divided into 3 equal parts. The 3 equal parts can be this, right? Now we have AB here. If we place C here, similarly we have C here. If we place B here, and we have AB here. If we place C here, right? So what is happening? This is shifting this side. A is going ahead. A is going ahead. Then B is going ahead, right? So this is following a pattern. So the missing blanks are what? C, B, C. This is our answer. Another example can be, take this example. The example can be A dash B C A, then dash B C, then dash B C C. This can be another example. So if we see how many letters are there, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So it is best we can divide 12 into 4 parts of 3 or 3 parts of 4, right? We can divide it into both. So let's first try and divide it into 4. This is 4 parts, right? Now here I am saying a pattern CC, right, in the end. So if I say and A is missing, I can write A here, right? Similarly, if I follow this pattern CC, I can write here BB. Here I can write AA. So this is also following a pattern. So blanks can be A, B, A. Now in exam you don't have to guess. You have 4 options and you will be asked to fill the blanks. What you do is write the sequence with blanks inside of 4 options, okay, and fill the options in each of the sequence, okay, and check if we are getting any pattern. The option which is giving us any pattern will be our answer. So let's see an example. This is a question from 2023. So first of all, what I will do is I will write A B C dash dash A B C dash D A B B C D dash A B C D. Similarly, I will write again A B C dash dash A B C dash D A B B C D dash A B C D. This won't take any much time, right? You can do this in the exam. It will fetch you 2.5 marks. This much effort is good enough to get 2.5 marks. A B C again dash dash A B C dash D A B B C D. You can do by method discussed earlier in the last slide also, or you can do is what? You can fill the options D A C B C D A B D C C A or D D C A. Now check if you are getting any pattern. I can see clearly option D is giving me some pattern. A B C D D, A B C C D, right? And I can divide all these in equal parts also to see the pattern. This can be, there are 20, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Done. So if you see ABCDD, ABCCD, ABBCD, AABCD. So this is giving me a pattern. So A will be my option, right? Similarly, this is question from 2023. You got similar question in 2024 also. This is question from 2024. I will solve it by the initial method. This is A, B, C, D, B, B, C, D, A, B, C dash D, A, B, C dash D. How many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So here I can see if I divide it in parts of 5, right? Again, I can see a pattern here. BB is repeating. So what I can do is this can be A. If BB is here, here it can be AABCD, ABBCD, ABCCD, and ABCDD. So is there any option with AACD? AACD, C is our correct answer, right? So every time you first count the number of letters in the sequence, divide it into equal parts, and try and find the answer from the given option. This is your question from 2019. 2019. Okay. Consider the following sequence. Consider the following sequence. Consider the following sequence that follows some arrangement. C dash A, C C A A dash this. Okay. So I am writing this. C dash. I can do one thing. I can solve it by the second method. So C dash A, C C A A dash A dash B C dash B. Again C dash A C C A. Just look above and write quickly. Again C dash A C C A dash A dash B C dash B. Again C dash A C C A dash A dash B C dash B. Right? I can fill the options. Option is A, B, B, A. Then C, B, B, B. Then B, 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 B. Then C, 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 C. Now try and look at some pattern. CCA, CCAAC, CCACBC, 9. We need to have, there are how many terms? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So we can divide them in what? 5 or 4. Try and find the pattern. CCACC, AABAA, BBCBB. There is one pattern. CBACC, AABAA. No pattern here. So if you see 5, 5, 5, 5, right? If you see in this CCACC, AABAA, BBCBB. So this is some pattern, right? This is our answer. In other cases, we are not getting any pattern. Here, A and CC are at the end, but A and A are here, right? Similarly, here there is no pattern. Here also there is no pattern. Confirmed. Here also we don't have any pattern, right? Because CCACC, AACAA, then CBCCB. So no pattern. So this is our answer. This is from 2019. Okay. Next question is from 2020. This is from 2020. This is your homework. Tell me the answer for this question in the comment box. Okay. Last two questions I am leaving for your practice. Okay. These two questions are for your practice, right? So we have discussed numeric series, all the types and their PYQs, and then alphabetical series and their PYQs. I have given you 2 questions for you to practice and tell me the answers in the comment box. I will also share the questions for practice in the Telegram channel. Okay, you can get the practice question from here. All right, in the next video, next Sunday, we will discuss syllogism and we will finish logical reasoning, and we'll start quant from next Sunday. Have a great week. I will meet you next Sunday. Bye bye.